Topic 1, Licensing and Regulation. 20%, 20 questions focusing on health and safety and the responsibility of the licensee. Let's take a look on where this information lives. TDLR.texas.gov. If you have your new Rules and Regulations book, same information, 2020. You're going to go to License Types, Cosmetologist, Laws and Administrative Rules. If you have your book, you can highlight this information in your book also. For Chapter 1602, it's going to be subchapters F, G, H, and I. Chapter 1603, subchapter C, 1603.102 and 1603.104. Subchapters E, F, G, and H, 1603.352, and Chapter 83, 83.20 through 83.115. So what are some things that we want to look at in these chapters on these random 20 questions that may be on our exam? Definitely the eligibility of an operator. Even though you're seeking your operator's license, you may have questions about esthetician, you may have questions about manicurist, specialty license, eyelash extension application or wig specialty, your beauty shop license, your renewal requirements. With your renewal requirements, and listen to this statement very carefully, we have to complete 4 hours of continuing education. Part of those 4 hours will include some questions about human trafficking that is covered. Also, 1 hour of sanitation is included with those 4 hours of continuing education also. After you complete your 4 hours of continuing education, you will receive a certificate of completion that can stay on file for 2 years. You can have about 5 to 6 questions about that last statement that I just made. Also, you want to look at the infectious and contagious diseases, posting of certain notices, like human trafficking. Where do you post that notice for human trafficking? Periodic inspections, when do they happen? Information about mobile shops. Your license requirements. You are eligible to take your written exam at 900 hours. 30 days to change your name, address, and salon spa ownership. But what about mobile shop? 10 days to change your physical address for a mobile shop. How big is your picture? 1.5 by 1.5, right? And also look at those fees. Those fees are so important because you may have a question about application fees and renewal fees for a booth rental independent contractor, which is absolutely zero. Also, please be sure to look at your health and safety definitions like low level, high level, blood and body fluid, just as an example, and your standards like hair cutting, how to dispose of haircut clippings, hair removal, electric drill bits, safety and sanitation for manicures, pedicures, eyelash extensions. Make sure that you review the content to prepare for this portion of your exam. If you're wanting more content to prepare for your exam, please visit Quizlet. Search for Miss G at Ogle, MSGATOGLE. The 2 classes are COS TDLR and COS TDLR Exam Prep. Under Kahoot, you want to search for hashtag TDLR Written Prep. Next topic is going to be infection control.